Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to my another vlog. So today is 9th of the November. आज है फ्राइडे और अभी टाइम कुछ हो रहा है 10:30. तो आज हम लोग यहाँ पे एक मीटअप के लिए आए. Classics and coffee. Look at this classic. It's beautiful, right? We have a great lineup over there. As you can see behind me, we have some bikes and cars also as well. I will show you. We have one Porsche here and we have two more classics over there. In front of me, I'll just show you. First I will just go inside and then I will show you the rest of the stuff. I have the two Jeeps over here and they're just front of me. It looks dope. Exactly. Look, one is there. Oh, let's be going. Mercedes. Look at this. Oh, can you hear that? Look at this one. That's lovely. Look at this one behind me. We have some more. I will show you in few seconds. They're just crazy. Whoa, look at this one. It's beautiful, right? It's from Volkswagen. We have one here. See? This one also from Volkswagen. We have one Rolls Royce over here. As you can see. Have a look. It's just lovely, right? But I will show you from the another angle.
You're my bitter one, taking me home.